Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn block 2 in Maths. The name of this block is Introduction to Hundreds, 0 to 200. 100 is a 3-digit number. So students, you are going to learn more about 3-digit number in this block. Let's see what are we going to learn in this chapter. The 4 main topics of this chapter are the number 100, numbers up to 200, hundreds, tens and ones, and number names up to 200. We will learn all this in detail one after the other. Let's move on to our first lesson. Block 2, lesson 1, the number 100. So today children, the aim of our class is to make 100 using place value blocks. The keyword used is 100. Let's spell out 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. I repeat, the keyword is 100. Can you guess what game it is? Yes, it is snakes and ladder. So, what do you find on this board? You see numbers starting from 1 up to 100. Now, can you say what number comes after 99? Yes, it is 100. So, 99 is a 2-digit number, whereas 100 is a 3-digit number. The number that comes after 99 is 100. After 99 starts the 3-digit numbers. The number 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. The number 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. After 99, 3-digit numbers start. So, let us learn more about 3-digit numbers in this lesson. Before starting 3-digit numbers, let's have a look at number 99. The number 99 looks like this. It has 9 10 blocks and 9 ones cubes. I repeat, the number 99 has 9 tens blocks and 9 ones cubes. You can count and check. Now what I will do is, I will add 1 cube here to 9 ones cubes. These are 9 ones cubes. I will add one more cube to 9 ones cubes. See, I have added 1 cube here, 1 more cube here. So now let us count how many ones cube we have now after adding 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now children, you have 10 ones cubes. So we can replace this 10 ones cubes with a 10 tens block. Here you can see I have replaced the 10 ones cubes with 1 tens block. So now we have altogether 10 tens blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 blocks. Let's put all these 10 blocks on a flat block. Here I placed all 10 blocks on a flat block. 10 blocks are placed on a flat block. This one flat block is called 100 block. All the 10 blocks have covered this flat block to form 100. Therefore children, we can show 100 using one flat block like this, one flat block, or 10 blocks, or 100 ones cubes. So there are 3 ways to show 100. One flat block makes 100. 10 blocks makes 100, and 100 ones blocks also makes 100. Now let's move on to our workbook page number 7. All of you open page number 7, S1. Let's do page number 7. The number 100. The first question is, write the number shown by each set of blocks. Place value blocks are seen here. You have to write the number seeing the blocks. First one. How many 10 blocks are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 10 blocks. So 4. And how many ones cubes are there? 1, 2. So 2 ones cubes and 4 10 blocks makes 42. The number is 42. Same like that, do the second one. How many 10 blocks are there? Count the 10 blocks first, then ones cubes after that. So first count 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10 blocks are there. So write number 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones cubes. 6. Write 6. And the number is 96. Let's move to question 2. The question is, tick the pictures that show 100. Look at the picture, students, all of you. Look at the pictures carefully. The first picture shows one flat block. So this is 100. So put a tick over it. Next picture shows some 10 blocks. We have to count and check how many are there. As I told you in my class, one flat block is 100. 10 blocks is also 100, and 100 small square cubes are 100. So let's count. There should be 10 blocks. All of you count B picture and tell how many are there. In picture B, you find only 9 10 blocks. 9 10 blocks. So you cannot call this as 100. There should be 10 blocks. So picture C, count and check whether it is having 10 blocks. Yes, picture C is having 10 blocks. So this is also 100. You can show 100 either like this or like this. Both are correct. Now question 3. Complete the number name of 100. You have to learn the spelling of 100. 1-O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Children, please note down today's homework. The homework for today is, you have to take your content book, page number 11, lesson number 1. There are 3 questions in that lesson. Please practice those 3 questions in your notebook. Make a notebook and do the homework and show it to me.